Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix widget not working in iPhone in iOS 17. Many iPhone users complained that their widgets not working on iPhone after updating iOS 17. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First of all, you should update the app whose widget is not working. Some widgets may not be optimized to work with iOS 17. For example, if a third-party widget does not refresh or work after iOS 17 update, so you just need to go to the App Store and update the app. Doing so should make the widgets work properly. And the next step is disable low power mode. In low power mode, several activities like background app refresh, mail fetch and such are limited to conserve battery if the relevant widgets are not updating with new information. For this, you just need to go to iPhone setting and then scroll down and then go to battery, tap on it and see here low power mode is turned on. Tap on its toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is turn off low data mode. With low data mode available for both Wi-Fi and cellular, your iPhone uses less data on that particular network. If you are on a limited plan, this may help but also create some annoyance like widgets failing to work properly. To address this, go to iPhone setting and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on eye icon next to your Wi-Fi network. Here you can see low data mode is turned on. Tap on its toggle button to turn it off and you are done. If widgets are still not working on your iPhone, please ensure that your device is running the latest version of iOS. To check this, go to settings, tap on it and then go to general, tap on it. Now tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available. Then follow the instruction to update. You may also should turn on automatic updates and you are done. And the next step is restart your device. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and then the volume down button and then the side button and then slide to power off, and after some time press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. The next step is temporarily change the language of your iPhone. For this, you just need to go to settings and then scroll down and go to general. Now scroll down and then tap on language and region. Now here change language. For example, if your current setting is English US, change it to English Canada and you are done. Now go to the iPhone home screen and see if the widgets work in a few seconds or not. If not, then go back to iPhone settings. Scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on language and region. Now tap on region and you can select different region. Again go to the home screen and see if this region change has forced the widget to refresh and work or not. Once you have an answer, follow the same step and set your correct language and region as before. And also you should delete the app and install again. If you are having issues with widgets of third-party apps on your iPhone, simply delete the app and then download and install it from App Store and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.